Good, everybody. This is Michael Leveris with immigration attorney Yakov Spektor. And we have one more question to ask Yakov regarding political asylums. Right now, it's very relevant what's happening in the news in Ukraine, Russia, other countries, and people are trying to obtain political asylum in America. It's not so easy, a lot of requirements. So can you briefly explain to us, please, what are the components, what are the factors in obtaining a political asylum in USA?
Michael, actually, that this question potentially, could save people a lot of money and might actually mean the difference between them getting asylum here or not. And the reason for that is that a lot of people, they think, well, you know what, in the country where I'm from, I was persecuted, and everybody defines persecution differently. People don't know the law really. They think, hey, my boss was mean to me. My classmates were mean to me. My mother was mean to me. Why don't I try for asylum in the United States? Mm-hmm. And then that's exactly what they do. They would go ahead, they would submit a list of grievances to the government, and then they would get denied. Okay, and the reason.
And you only get one chance, right, when you apply, or no?
Strangely enough, you get two chances. If the asylum office will not give you asylum, your case will go to the immigration judge, who will look at your.
But you don't want to blow those chances. You want to start off on the right foot.
And if the immigration judge will not give you asylum, he will probably order you deported. So it's super important to get it right. Yeah. I'll just give you a bit of statistic here. 90% of the applicants who try to do this by themselves get denied. Wow. If they do this with an immigration attorney such as myself, then it's about a 50-50 chance. Asylums are never 100%. If you think that this is something that might be a shoe-in, you're probably wrong. It probably makes sense to speak to someone like me, a good immigration lawyer, because what happens in a lot of these cases is those people might have a legitimate claim, but it has to be presented in the right way.
And you're providing evidence, right?
It's good to present evidence, but it's not really a requirement. If you're running away from a crowd with machetes and they're after you, you're not going to turn back to them and say, "Hey, you know what? Give me some sort of a document that shows you're after me." Yeah. Right? No, but having said that, evidence helps, and that's exactly something that we try to do. Okay, if during the initial consultation I determine that, you know what, at least you have a running chance of getting it, okay, then we could see how we could increase your chances of getting it. And this is exactly the job of an immigration lawyer, to increase your chances of getting asylum.
And I assume your chances increase if you actually show harassment from the government from which you're running away, that you may be at risk of arrest, detainment, or something like that, correct?
Absolutely. Some countries are just, if you're from North Korea, even without me knowing your full story, I could probably, guess that the government is after you. But one of the things that we have to show, even if the government is not after you, let's say some private individuals are after you, it happens.
Interesting.
But then we have to show that you cannot seek help from the government. You cannot go to the government, and the government will not protect you.
I didn't think about it. Okay, very good. You know what I appreciate? That you have the passion. I feel the passion that you have to try to help these people. That's very important, that you actually believe in what you're doing as an attorney for these clients. We're going to have many more of these seminars with the immigration attorney, Yakov Spektor. Yakov Spektor, thank you for your time. And if anybody has any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Follow our page on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, jurisq.com. And I'm looking forward to hosting again Yakov Spektor. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Michael.